So Ulanzi just released the OLOCK system. Check this out. This is really cool. So let's not waste any more time and let's get right to it because it's Thursday. So this is the Ulanzi OLOCK system. And I actually have the bike stand kit with me, but let's just go ahead and start with the case. So you get this case for your phone, and it's actually a really nice case. It has like the perfect coverage in keeping your phone safe. And then it has this little mechanism on the back to clip into other OLOCK systems. And even with the case, it also still works with MagSafe. That is awesome. Now, if you didn't want to use their case, they actually have an OLOCK magnet sticker that you could put directly on your phone or your other case. And then we have this right here. And this is a tripod selfie stick. And you can see it has the OLOCK mechanism on the top. And what you do is you squeeze in the sides and then put it on the OLOCK system on your phone. You let go and it's that quick. It's ready to go. And it's not coming off. I mean, I'm pulling on this thing. I don't want to break it, but I'm pulling. But then if you want to take it off, you just squeeze the sides. It comes right off. So this pulls out into a selfie stick. And then it has little joints on here where you can angle your phone around and get the right shot that you want. This is actually really cool. And also with the OLOCK system, you can actually move it around. So if you wanted to get portrait or landscape shots, you can. All right, next we have the bike mount. And this mount is solid. This feels like it's not gonna break. But you use the Allen key to open this thing up. You put it around your handlebars and you lock it in place. Now they also come with some extra rubber inserts just in case you have thinner handlebars. And as you can see, it also has the OLOCK system on it and you can put your phone right onto it. But I just love this whole system, this whole idea. It's like you're going from one thing, then you can pop it off this, then you put it on your bike handlebars, and you can pick up this whole bike kit, which is the case, the tripod, and the bike mount for $67 US, or you can get these individually as well. And guess what? There's even more accessories, but time's up. Nah, screw it. I'm gonna tell you these other accessories too because they're really cool. They have an OLOCK screw thread, so you can connect that to any tripod or screw thread accessory, and then you can use that OLOCK system. They have a GoPro mount stand, which basically you can mount this on any action mount, and then you click the OLOCK system onto that. They have a suction cup mount with a magic arm. There's also a Z stand, which looks super cool. There's a strap mount, a motorcycle mount, a wireless car charger mount, and yeah, that's a USB-C plug, so you can actually have this in your car and charging at the same time, or have it anywhere, really. There's also a wall magnet sticker and an Arca stand mount. So that's a lot of really cool stuff, and I'm assuming this is just the beginning. There's gonna be a lot of other really good OLOCK mount accessories. But on this channel, I'm not here to try to get you to spend your money. I just wanna share with you cool gear that comes my way so that you can see what it is and see what it's like, and you can decide for yourself. But that's it for this 30-second Thursday. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. And if you enjoyed this video, you can click that one as well. But I have a lot of really cool gear to share with you coming up soon, so do stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.